Today is a difficult day where we announced the highest number of deaths reported in a single day.
Deaths in the province from COVID-19 mounting. Now the province looking to elongate the interval between doses to 42 days instead of the original plan of 3 to 4 weeks to get some protection for high-risk Albertans.
From the studies that have been done on Pfizer and Moderna, the estimates that of its effectiveness starting from 2 weeks after that first dose and up to when the second dose was administered is approximately 90% for that single dose. What we don't know is how long that single dose protection will last without the second dose. We know that in those studies there was a range of intervals between the first and second dose that did go up to 42 days.
Alberta's top doctor says this directive allows the greatest number of people to get some form of protection as the country bolsters its vaccine supply. Right now, over 52,000 Albertans have received the vaccine. 38 deaths from COVID-19 have been reported in the last 24 hours for a total of 1,345. 652 new infections were identified from about 9,300 tests for a positivity rate of 6.8%. 819 people are in hospital, 132 of them in the ICU. Dr. Hinshaw notes that fewer tests are being performed due to a lack of demand and that 6 cases of the new variants have been identified, something they're keeping their eye on.
Since the variants emerged in late December, which really is only a couple of weeks ago, our lab has been working hard to develop new processes to be able to put through an additional number of tests every day that specifically look for a couple of key mutations that are common to the to the variants identified in South Africa and the UK. And we will be able to do a much larger volume of our cases every day with that new test.
Finally, with fewer cases and more tracers, Dr. Hinshaw says contact tracing is working in Alberta.
Only about 47% of our active cases have an unknown source. This is down from about 80% on December 10th.
In Calgary, I'm Tara Overholt, City News.